Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by logging into Streamelements and linking your streaming account. This allows overlays to read alerts and activity. Once signed in, grant overlay and alert permissions so scenes and widgets can push data in real time. Next, create a new overlay and set the canvas to your stream resolution, typically 1920 x 1080, because correct dimensions prevent stretching. Make sure to add a blank scene so you can place widgets. This first actionable setup gets your channel ready to show alerts and scene elements immediately. Now assemble your overlay by adding widgets. Alert box for donations/follows, recent events for activity, chat widget, and any static branding. Once added, configure each widget's behavior. Set alert duration, animation style, sound volume, and event filters so only relevant alerts show. Use layering and grouping to keep graphics from overlapping, and anchor elements to corners or center so they adapt when you resize or switch scenes. Test each widget with the built-in test buttons to confirm timing, volume levels, and appearance. Finish by clicking Publish to generate a secure overlay URL, then paste that URL into a browser source in OBS or Streamlabs. Once loaded, test everything with sample alerts and chat to ensure proper timing and audio levels. If possible, run a private stream to validate live behavior. If an overlay fails to show or alerts don't trigger, reauthorize Streamelements integrations, verify widget visibility settings, and confirm the browser source has JavaScript and hardware acceleration enabled. One key tip: clear cache or re-add the browser source to resolve stale assets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.